This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade pizza. Combine 4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 1/2 cups of warm water, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Knead the mixture for about 10 minutes until it's smooth. Then, let it rise in a warm spot for at least 1 hour. While your dough is rising, prepare your sauce and toppings. A simple tomato sauce, seasoned with a pinch of salt and a dash of oregano, works wonderfully. Grate about 8 ounces of fresh mozzarella cheese. Then, gather your favorite toppings, whether it's classic pepperoni, fresh basil, or a mix of colorful vegetables. Now for the fun part, assembly. Gently stretch your risen dough into a round shape, about 12 inches in diameter. Spread your prepared sauce evenly, leaving a 1-inch border for the crust. Sprinkle on your mozzarella cheese, then arrange your chosen toppings. Bake your pizza in a preheated oven at 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Your pizza is ready when the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned, usually after about 12 to 15 minutes. Carefully remove it from the oven. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing to ensure the cheese sets properly. A sprinkle of fresh basil or a drizzle of olive oil can add a perfect finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.